Hey there! In this video, you will learn about the call records report you can run in your my.compeak.com account. You will learn which filters you can apply in the report, which data the report output displays, and how to download the detailed and summary report. The report shows your call history for outbound calls. To run the report, expand the VoIP Services menu and click Call Records, CDR. By default, on the page that opens, you will see the list of all calls for the current date. You can filter the report output by SIP account, pricing group or tech prefix, destination number, and date. Then click Search. In the table below, you will see the pricing category used for this call, the date, the status of the call, the caller ID and the destination number, the country and network name of the destination number, the call duration, the price per minute for calls to this network, and the total cost of the call. Click the Download button if you want to save the results of the report to your computer. After a while, you will find the files to download under Generated Reports. The CDR file lists all the calls within your filters. The CDR summary file groups the results by the destination country. Thanks for watching. Good luck!